Leadership is a tough gig. You as the leader are responsible for making the show happen. And it's like you've set up the theatre, you're ready for people to come in, but you don't have a script, you don't have production ready, and you're the one that has to make it all happen. It's harder and more difficult than ever before to see your way through all the challenges that we face as leaders. Let's face it, this world is chaotic when you're a leader. There are endless meetings, there are all kinds of challenges that we face every day. What you really need to do is to find a way through the chaos, through the fog of everything out there, to get to clarity on what your direction is and how you're going to accomplish what you need to. Clarity is what we need. Clarity in order to see ahead, to be able to work with and lead our people so that they can deliver what they need to, when they need to, in the way that matters most, and you can make this happen. I'm Peter McLean, and for decades I've worked across industries, helping leaders and organisations to achieve greater levels of success, even in tough and critical environments, through their leadership. My Lead with Clarity keynotes and workshops are packed to the brim with real stories, successful strategies, and proven principles taken from my many years in psychology, business and education, and my experience in the real world as a leader. Lead with Clarity isn't about empty theory or endless PowerPoints. It's about proven application that will help your people to achieve something fantastic. You'll walk away from my keynotes and workshops inspired, thinking, equipped, and ready to deliver real results, not empty bromides. Because when you work with me, you don't just get a keynote or a workshop, certainly never vague promises. What you get is a partner who cares about your success, both behind the scenes and here on stage. It's time to cut through the chaos, clear away the confusion and fog, and focus on what really matters most. It's time to lead with clarity.